Welcome. If you wanna use the watermark on your camera in OPPO A31, let's tap on the camera, click on the settings icon, scroll down, enter the watermark, and right now you can tap in and just show the phone model. So let me show you. Tap to take a photo, and it is the OPPO A31. We can also add here the timestamp when you enter watermark again, and we can custom our watermark, so we can type watermarking, save, and you will see the difference right now. And right now it is the OPPO A31 watermarking and the date and the time. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.